In today's fast-paced, consumer-driven world, it's easy to fall into the trap of spending money on things that might seem necessary or appealing at the moment but don't actually contribute to your long-term financial well-being. The key to financial success often lies in living below your means, allowing you to invest and grow your wealth. To help you achieve this, we've compiled a list of 9 things you can stop buying to save more money. Books. Book lovers often find themselves accumulating a pile of unread books. Instead of purchasing books on a whim, consider using a summary app to get a condensed version of the content first. If the summary captures your interest, then invest in the full book. This method allows you to explore more books and genres without committing to every purchase. Hypothetical event clothing. Do you have a habit of buying clothing for hypothetical events that may or may not happen? It's time to break free from this costly pattern. Only purchase clothing when you have a specific upcoming event that requires it. This way, you'll avoid filling your wardrobe with unused items. High-maintenance treatments. High-maintenance beauty treatments, such as nails, hair, and eyelash appointments, can add up quickly. Consider opting for DIY beauty treatments at home, which not only save you money but also give you more control over your grooming routine. This change not only reduces expenses but also saves valuable time. Trending or celebrity-endorsed products. Are you guilty of purchasing products just because they're trending or endorsed by your favorite celebrity? Many of us have been there, and it often results in wasted money on items that don't truly benefit us. Instead of following the crowd, consider buying products that you know will work for you. This shift in mindset not only saves you money but also ensures that your purchases align with your needs and preferences. Buying in bulk. The idea of buying in bulk to save money might seem enticing, but it can lead to unnecessary expenses. Often, items bought in bulk end up going to waste because they exceed our actual needs. To cut costs and reduce waste, adopt a buy as you need strategy. This approach encourages mindfulness about your purchases and prevents excess clutter in your home. Transportation. Transportation costs, including car ownership expenses like insurance, fuel, and maintenance, can take a significant toll on your budget. Consider alternatives like using public transportation or rideshare services like Uber. By selling your car and opting for more cost-effective options, you can free up funds for more meaningful investments. Home decor. While home decor items can add charm to your living space, they can also clutter your home and drain your finances. Instead of constantly purchasing decorative items, focus on a few statement pieces that truly resonate with you. This minimalist approach not only saves money but also creates a more peaceful and organized living environment. Overpriced branded clothing. Designer clothes can be tempting, but the hefty price tags often don't justify the investment. Rather than buying into brand names, explore more affordable clothing options that offer style and quality without breaking the bank. By shifting your focus away from status symbols, you'll find yourself with more money in your pocket. The 48-hour rule. Impulse buying can wreak havoc on your finances. To combat this, implement the 48-hour rule for all your purchases. Wait for 48 hours before making a buying decision. If you still find yourself wanting the item after this waiting period, then go ahead and make the purchase. This simple rule helps you avoid impulsive spending and buyer's remorse. In conclusion, making a conscious effort to eliminate these 9 expenses from your life can significantly impact your financial stability. Living below your means and redirecting your savings toward investments or financial goals will pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Take a closer look at your spending habits and start cutting out these unnecessary expenses today to build a brighter financial tomorrow.